My name is Siu Mui, professor at the University of São Paulo, Center for Nuclear Energy in Agriculture. As agronomist, my concern is towards the fast process of agricultural modernization in the last decades, which is occurring in the tropics. We can find this fact in most of the modern agricultural regions in Brazil. The massive transformation of the rural environments in our country has been the most extraordinary in their speed of spread of new technologies, in detriment of the far-reaching nature of their impacts upon social, economic, and ecological systems. We need to regenerate our degraded pasture and forest soils with policies and practice for sustainability and self-reliance by balancing the cost benefits from the agricultural intensification measures. It is time to encourage rural people and the farm owners to change their practice with rational and more sustainable solutions if we want to firmly conserve soil and water resources. Although both crop production and rural development have increased remarkably in the last decades, the problem is that the technology may not take room when it's cut off from culture and tradition, as expressed by Kisho Kurokawa in 1991. We transfer this technology. This one requires sophistication such as adaptation to region, to unique situation, and to customs such as traditional knowledge for crop production. Therefore, we should replace the old with the new technology with skilled coexistence measures to prevent the degradation of natural resources. We should include people from forests and other sites of high biodiversity to protect the existing wildlife and plants. All these new technologies we have boasted to a greater standardization or universality of our approach that leads to a homogenization of environments. Where farmers used to grow tens or even hundreds of crop varieties, now they might only grow one or two. This homogenization uses less biological and physical measures and leads to higher risks of soil erosion and water shrinkage. This modern production system leads to only produce commodities instead of native plants and animals for food, medicine, and energy. Both should coexist. Why and how? The higher environmental vulnerability under the increased pressure of the global warming in the tropics has inevitably forced us to alert how intervention focusing on trying to improve the local social economic environment can better fit to a qualitative shift in practice without constraining productivity. Let's keep agriculture more sustainable by adopting good management practice.